Hello everyone, welcome to Symmetric channel. How to use our series, how to use our Shark series. First, just open this lid and press this button for 2 minutes. You will find it's working and this light is on. And find this light is always on the top. Find this light is always on the top, and then hold it like this. And also you can hold it like this. This is normal position that our customers use it. And then just put a little bit harder inside of this electric nail clippers. So that's all. We finished. And when you just few seconds, you will get the trimming nice one fingers. And when you finish it, just close to it. Okay, that is how to use our series, how to use our Shark series. And then when you use it, we need to clean it, right? So just open this one, yes, and use our brush to make it clean. Yes, this one. And also we have this Type C. Yes, just for 2 hours. It can use maybe for kind of half of an year. Yes. And how to some details, and I will make notice for you. You can see these 2 black eyes, right? So this is a safety garden. When it can detect the temperature. So when our skin close to it, it will stop working, and this light is shining, right? So you don't need to worry our safeties. Just every time when you trimming, you just need to find the top. The light is on the top, and make your fingers a little bit harder inside of the close to this knife, and just few minutes you can enjoy the trimming. So that's all the details that I want to tell you, and then close to it. Finish. And if you are interested in our products, please let me know and contact us. Leave your message. You will get the latest news, and also the important thing is get the latest price, and you will get a big market for your stores. So just contact me. See you. Okay, and then we need to talk about our so if you have any questions, please let me know, and we will give you the details presentation for you.